Hello, my name is Ethan Yan, and I am a rising 8th grader from Basking Ridge.
And my name is Jaden Liu, and I'm also a rising 8th grader from Montgomery.
My name is Jeremy, and I'm also a rising 8th grader.
So our project was called Whack-A-Mole.
And the goal of it is to find where the tissue boxes or the moles are, and then go forward and hit them down, and then return and hit all the rest of them down.
Okay, so some of the technical things we had to do were to recognize where the moles were and knock them down successfully, and also be able to code the robot to do such tasks without using like hard code, instead using like algorithms, loops, all that.
We also had to kind of understand how like each of us had to work on a specific part of the project, and in the end we all had to like combine and implement our code together. So we had to like understand like how to take Jeremy's code and my code and combine it without it overlapping, and combine it with Jaden's code in the end.
We also had to understand how to use like all the certain sensors, like the distance sensor and the light sensor, so our robot would work correctly.
There were multiple issues, such as in the first part, where there was an issue of ensuring that the distance sensor detected the lowest value. This is because the distance sensor detects in a cone, means that it may not be actually detect the actual mole. So then, therefore, it has to detect the lowest value, so that it can go directly to the mole.
So it took us a very long time to do our project, over 3 hours to do all this.
So like some things we were still like kind of puzzled with was with the fact that sometimes even with all our code implemented like more or less correctly in a way, the robot still sometimes fails to like accurately define like where the moles are, where the tissue boxes were, and they sometimes fail to detect where to go straight. So sometimes it will be like a few degrees to the left, a few degrees to the right. And also sometimes the robot just starts doing its own thing, it gets its own brain, and just starts randomly turning in the end. So some processes that helped us and helped our team achieve this robot is to brainstorm and have good communication skills, so that we can all know what each other are doing, so we can like implement each other's code in the end. And in the future, we would like to be able to successfully code this project and make it actually work. Yeah.
Demo.
Okay, we'll demo, I guess.
Make sure to
Yeah, okay.
detect that. We don't have the sphere.
So in that one.
Wait, the first one worked.
Ethan!
Recruit. Oh my god. Okay.
My code was the
Okay.
microphone.